Almost every home in America has this tiny pill. But have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your body after taking Tylenol? The moment you swallow a Tylenol tablet, it travels down your esophagus and enters your stomach. Within minutes, the tablet begins to dissolve, releasing its active ingredient, acetaminophen. The medicine then moves into your small intestine, where tiny blood vessels absorb it into your bloodstream. Now, the acetaminophen molecules begin traveling throughout your body at incredible speed. Soon, the medicine reaches your brain, the control center of your nervous system. Inside the brain, Tylenol blocks chemical signals responsible for pain and fever. As these signals become weaker, your headache slowly fades, your body aches reduce, and your temperature starts returning to normal. That's why many people begin feeling relief within 30 to 60 minutes. Millions of people in the United States use Tylenol for headaches, fever, muscle pain, toothaches, cold symptoms, and everyday body aches. Unlike some stronger painkillers, it's usually gentler on the stomach. But here's the hidden danger. Taking too much Tylenol can overload your liver. Your liver is responsible for breaking down the medicine safely, but excessive doses can create toxic chemicals that damage liver cells. In severe cases, overdose may lead to nausea, confusion, liver failure, or even death. That's why doctors always warn people to follow the correct dosage and avoid mixing multiple medicines that contain acetaminophen. So the next time you take a Tylenol tablet, remember, inside your body, a powerful scientific process is happening. As tiny molecules travel through your blood, communicate with your brain, and help your body fight pain and fever within minutes.